Hello, 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 and welcome to Chucks and Chapstick. If it is your first time at Chucks and Chapstick, I ask that you do three things. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you happen to like what it is that you see, please consider subscribing. Tap, tap, tap on that notification bell so that you never miss another Chucks and Chapstick upload. And then go ahead and hit that thumbs up button so I know you like what it is that you saw. I also love hearing from you guys, so it never hurts to throw in your 2 cents and leave a comment below. Now, I'm going to admit that I feel like I may have kind of cheated on you guys a little bit. Not cheated on you, that's not the best way to put it, but cheated you out of an experience because I actually got a Stitch Fix box about 3 weeks ago. I didn't record it. It wasn't good. It wasn't terrible. It just was really blah. And so I was like, I really don't feel like recording this, but good, bad, or ugly, I really should have recorded it and shared it with you all. But I just was like, I'm not doing this. This doesn't even feel like it's worth it. So I immediately requested that another box be sent, and this is what I have today. So I'm gonna be honest with you. I already know what's in here. I can't help myself. You know how I do. So it's not a surprise to me, but it will be a surprise for you. So we're gonna go ahead and cut to the chase and bust this puppy open. I'm not wearing makeup. Here's why. See that? 1, 2. See that? 1, 2. I got my nose pierced again. Twice. I got these a year and a half, 2 years apart. This one I did at the same time. So yeah, no makeup for a while. So you get barefaced, Osceola. In every box you get a few things. You get a return mailer to send back anything that you don't want. You get a pricing sheet that tells you how much everything is. You get style cards that tell you how to style everything and a note from your personal stylist. Here's the fix. We have some nice colors here. The first thing that we have is this Michael Kors kind of double layer top. And it has a split back, and as you can see, that is very see-through. The next thing that we have is this tie waist tee in this olive green and white color. We have something that I've seen on many places, and that is this Katie Sturino high-low skirt in green. It's a very pretty color. We have this blue kind of wrap top from 41 Hawthorne. And then we have this red crossbody bag. I don't think it's real leather, but this red crossbody bag from Fiorelli. I just wanted to show you today's outfit of the day real quick so you can see what I actually wore to work today, okay? This is a skirt I bought off of one of the Stitch Fix boards. Super cute, very stretchy. This is a universal standard. Tank top. I usually don't do pattern mixing. I don't really think I did this as well, but I did get a lot of compliments, so we'll see. And then of course my trusty Steve Madden boots that are so comfortable. Okay, so here's our first top. So my idea for this top was to go with the like Martha's Vineyard nautical, coastal theme. So I took the top and I paired it with a khaki skirt and some chucks. Okay, so about this, well, and I also look like a Walmart employee, but that's okay. Sometimes Walmart employees go to Nantucket too, right? But anyway, so this top, first of all, I can't really describe the fabric, but it's kind of a linen-y, cottony. It's definitely not that polyester-y, really thin material that I thought it was going to be in the preview. It is very stretchy. I like that since it wraps right here that it stays closed. This is a very breathable material. What I will say is that when I saw this in my preview, I was like, oh, Jason, why? But I like this top. I like it a hell of a lot more than I thought I would in the preview. From the back, you can wear it by itself. This would be totally appropriate for the summer. It's not too heavy for the summer. You can wear it in the spring, throw a jean jacket over it. I mean, seriously, this top is very versatile. And of course, are you ready for this green Katie Storino? I'm not sure of an outfit that is not made better by a denim jacket. Show me one and I'll just be shown one, but I can't think of one. So add my denim jacket to it to give it a little more casual ease. However, here's this green skirt. So we have the tie's right here, but it doesn't actually tie it. This is all, well, that was a button, but it doesn't actually like come all the way apart. It also is not a true wrap in that it's stitched together. So if the wind blows, not a big deal. It is not a stretchy fabric, but it is nice and flowy. And as you can see on me, it comes down pretty far. I'm 5 feet. I'm 5 foot, almost 1. And, oh, here's the back. So nice and flowy, nice and swingy. It is very light. It does not have a lining. So, wait, is that a lining? Uh-oh, it does have a lining. But it's very thin. I mean, you can see my hand through that. So it's really thin, not a big deal. So anyway, this is the Katie Storino skirt. So take a trip with me. Follow me as I introduce this next outfit, hanging out with gal pals. So I decided to pair this top with a jacket, sleeveless jacket. I got this from, it's a Stitch Fix jacket, but I bought it off of one of the boards from somebody else who thought it was too big for them. So it's got lots of stretch. Wait, this isn't about the jacket, it's about the shirt. Okay, again, I put on jeans and tennies, okay? And so here is the top. It's got the knot. When I walk up close, you can tell it's just kind of a jersey mix or whatever. Short sleeves, got the tie there. Plenty of stretch. I mean, even just without the jacket. But you know how I feel about my jackets. And you know how I feel about my collars. Okay, so the light is blowing me out. So we're gonna do this in a lower level light. So basically this is not the jacket that I was supposed to be showing, but I thought that the red, white, and black looked really cute together. Yep. And I'm gonna take off the white jacket. Here's the top. Now, first of all, it's too tight. So even if I was gonna keep this, I would have to go with a bigger size. Polyester material, it's not the worst in the world. I just am not a big fan. Okay, so turn around and you see that, and again, just too tight, but you can see right through that. This isn't really my kind of top, but what it did tell me is that it is possible for me, maybe with that white jacket, because I'm always looking for a way to style that white jacket, to do red and black underneath. That might be nice. And my boots, my new boots from Clark's, super comfortable. I can run a marathon in these boots. That was me doing a hurdle, like a 3-inch hurdle off the ground. Stitch Fix. But anyway, what do you guys think about the Stitch Fix? This is what I would like to say. Oh, you know what? I didn't show you guys the purse. Here's the purse. Here's the purse against my body. I don't know, whatever. But anyway, so what did you guys think about the Stitch Fix? What I will say is that I was not happy. I shouldn't say happy. I shouldn't say that. I was not excited about anything that I saw in the preview. I'm glad I tried it on because there were 2 surprises, big surprises in there. One of them was the blue cross top. That was a major hit. Did not expect to like it as much as I did. I didn't expect to like it at all. And I actually liked it quite a bit. The second thing was the Katie Storino skirt. I liked my last Katie Storino skirt, but I'm just like, is this really me? It's kind of dressy. But I played with it a little bit and ended up making it a little more casual, which is definitely more my style, my aesthetic. I don't know what I'm gonna keep. I have to see. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the prices up so that you can see how much everything is. See you next time. Bye.